As a major form of clean energy encouraged by the federal government, cooking gas, otherwise known as LPG, petroleum product, is gradually becoming an acceptable means of cooking among Nigerians. Although the petroleum product is cheap and fast when used, it poses a lot of risk to users as well as other people due to some unwholesome practices of vendors and users, resulting in loss of lives and properties in recent time. How to reduce these incidences of fire outbreak is the crux of a sensitization program organized by the Department of Petroleum Resources, Abeokuta Field Office for Cooking Gas Kid Proprietors, Association of Nigeria, Ogun State Chapter. Operations Controller DPR Abeokuta Office, Mrs. Muinot Bello Zagi, pointed out that DPR puts high premium on the safety of lives of Nigerians, hence the need for operators to adhere strictly to the regulations guiding the business.
What we discover is that the association has quite a number of members, about 400, and they are operating LPG plants using skid, but the operations are not regularized. In other words, the operations are illegal. But since we started in Abeokuta 2 years ago, we've been engaging them, we've been encouraging them that we want to regularize the operations. We want it to be standardized, in line, especially with the aspiration of the government, which is about increasing the domestic usage of gas within the country.
Apart from safety of lives and property, compliance to rules as laid down by federal government will also boost businesses of operators. The meeting, according to participants, is an eye-opener.
With the interaction that we have today, we believe that even the Abeokuta Field Office will be able to take our plight to the appropriate quarters, particularly to the head office, and they will sit down. What we are complaining in Ogun State is not peculiar to Ogun State, it's all over Nigeria. We thank the Abeokuta Field Office for giving this opportunity. Possibly this opportunity is not available elsewhere in Nigeria, but such opportunities, and some of us, we are ready to be the voice for those that are operating in that industry.
The only thing I can say is that the DPR should sit down at home, formulate a policy that will bring in the safety required and also getting people into their business.
The participants, while reiterating their resolve to further cooperate with DPR to ensure safety, also appealed to government to formulate favorable policies for cooking gas kid operation in the country.